Where is my... I do not know where I put my box. Man. Okay, that sucks. I really need a workbench. This makeshift workbench is... Oh, this is not it. 36 by 24. This one's perfect. $445, it's not bad. 200, this isn't bad. But you know what would be better? If I built it myself. And here we are. After taking a little trip to a place called Woodcraft, I got me stuff to make a workbench. Haha. So this isn't quite 38 by 24. This is 48 by 24. It should still work. I got rid of that terrible makeshift workbench, and I will put this here. I'll put that there and I'll have plenty of space. I'll bring my compressor in the middle, which will be perfect. I need a sturdier workbench, and a real one too. It may not appear, but it is quite hot in here. Instructions. Lining up the staggered holes. I'm gonna guess 13 millimeter. Yay. There you have it. A almost finished work. Now let's install the feet. So my camera had died. It was a little too hot in here, and my camera couldn't take it. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I got fan, because it's hot. It's hot. Let's get these instructions out of the way that I have not been reading. I gotta figure out this height here, and how high and low I want it. Feels like kind of low, but I'm sitting down at the workbench. It's not too bad. But if I'm standing up working on the workbench, it's kind of low. Aha! Woo! But first, stay. Now I'll just square up this bottom piece to the wood, make it even. got three more. When you see me yanking, the screw, when you put it in there, it sticks. So, which is a good thing. It keeps the screw in there. It's very nice until you have to pull it out. Professional. And there you have it. A Craig workbench put together. So I'll eventually lower it, but I like this for now. Hey. All right, so this is the completed product. I like it. So a really good height. It's pretty even, I must say. I got a little bit of air bubbles in there, but you know, it's all right. Being at that height with those legs like that, I love it. That is great. Now, about this storage, yeah. Now that my workbench is done, yeah, no tools get that out of there. No tools required. Hammer, some blood, relocated my compressor here. All this crap is going to eventually be up here. I wish I could put that engine up there, but it will probably destroy this. Much better looking, much better. I like it. Don't mind the background, this place is a rental, so. Anyway, this will conclude this video. I can't wait to put that bench to use. All right, I am out.